Welcome to another exciting and fun quiz to test your knowledge. What does the term creation refer to in the book of Genesis? The act by which God brings the universe and all living things into existence. On which day did God create light, separating it from darkness? The first day. What was created on the second day of creation? The sky or firmament, separating the waters above from the waters below. Which day did God create land, seas, and vegetation? The third day. What does Genesis state about the creation of humans? Humans were created on the sixth day in God's image, male and female. Thanks for playing, see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.